Hello everyone. Are you wondering what soft girl means? Let's explore. Soft girl is an aesthetic and cultural trend that emphasizes a gentle, sweet, and innocent look, often associated with pastel colors, fluffy accessories, and a generally cute, feminine style. This aesthetic is characterized by its embrace of softness and vulnerability, often incorporating elements like oversized sweaters, delicate makeup, and playful accessories like hair clips and plush toys. The soft girl vibe is also linked to a positive, emotional approach to life, celebrating kindness, sensitivity, and self-care. It's a reaction against more aggressive or bold styles, offering a space for those who prefer a gentler, more nurturing expression of femininity. In essence, the soft girl aesthetic is about embracing a tender, whimsical style that celebrates femininity and emotional openness. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.